Well, here we are at the Big Bear City Fire Department, where tonight firefighters are preparing a very special dinner. Let's go in and see what's happening. All right, guys, here we are. This is a very special evening. Who's the best cook out here?
Yeah. I'm the cook tonight.
Are you? Well, good. So what are we having?
It is a Kenneth and Gloria filet.
Really?
It's kind of like a chicken breast filled with some Canterbury cheese and then mangoes in that. You roll it up, you cook it, and then you put a raspberry, boysenberry, and strawberry sauce, which is this. You lay this over the top of it.
Ooh, wow.
Kind of Mediterranean style.
Good. I want to watch it while you put it together. And here everybody thinks the firefighters just open cans. Oh, man.
We do.
Yeah. So what are you going to do, Dave?
What am I going to do?
Yeah?
I'm going to help the cook.
Oh, okay.
Right now I'm just going to clean the kitchen.
Okay. Well, actually, so what's happening tonight? This is a special night.
Yeah?
I mean, you're not preparing this just for the firefighters.
No, for the public.
I know it.
The public has donated quite a bit of their time to the community. And this is a way for the firemen to show their support to the community for everything they do.
And these are all ladies coming tonight.
I'm not sure, but it could be.
It is. 6 of them.
There you go.
You bet. See, I know more than you do.
See?
How about that? But we'll watch as you put it together.
Okay.
Ooh, squash.
Don't you let them see me cut my finger here.
That's okay. Just be careful. Now, what kind of squash?
This is called a butternut squash. It's,
a what?
It looks like this.
Yeah.
But it's one of the better squashes I've ever had. So,
really?
Like it's more of a sweet flavor to it.
Does it have a nutty taste? I mean, some squash has a sort of a nutty taste.
Yeah, I don't